Open your book to page 289. This lesson is on multiplying polynomials. So it's exactly the same as what you did earlier with the FOIL method, but now you have more terms. So when you have more terms, you just be organized and just keep doing the same thing. So let's go to example 10. So you have 3x squared minus 4x plus 6 times by 5x minus 2. So again, what you want to do is distribute, right? So do that, right? So when you distribute using the first term, you're going to get 15x to the 3 minus 6x squared, right? So now you're done with the first term. So now you can go to the second term. So after you're done with the first one, then you do the second one. Again, just distribute. So when you distribute, you're going to get minus 20x squared plus ax. So now you're done with the second term, then you go to the next one. So go to the next one. Again, just distribute each one, right? So you're going to end up with plus 30x minus 12. So now you're all done multiplying. Your next step would be combine the like terms. Okay, so you have the cube. Then you look for the square. So you have these two over here. So you have minus 26x squared. And then you have the squares, the x. So it would be plus 38x minus 12. And that's it. Okay? So you can just go down each one and distribute. Now let's go to example 16. Example 16 on page 291. You have a minus b to the 3 power. Now when you get to algebra 2, you're going to learn a shortcut. But right now, you're only in algebra 1, so you kind of have to do it a long way. So the cube means you write it out 3 times. Now, when you have 3 parentheses, you need to do 2 at a time. So for right now, what you want to do is just ignore that for now. And you're just going to do the regular distribution. So just distribute, right? So you're going to end up with a squared minus ab. Then after you do the first one, you can go and erase. And you do the next one, right? I can just distribute. So this will give you minus ab, and this will become plus b squared. And then you combine the like terms. So you're going to get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is from this two. Okay? So, and for the last one, you just follow it through, right? So just follow it through. So again, you only can multiply 2 parentheses at a time. So now it becomes the earlier example, right? You're just going to distribute. So you can use the first one, and you're going to distribute, right? So you're going to get a cubed. So again, this 2 over here. So you're going to get a cubed minus a squared b. So now you're done with the first term. So you can go to the next one to distribute. So this one over here, it can distribute. Now when you join the arrow, it helps you to keep track. Help you keep track of which one you're doing. So multiply. So you're going to get minus 2a squared b. And this one will become plus 2ab squared. So now when you're done with the second term, you go to the third term. So it's this one here. You distribute, right? So this will give you plus ab squared, and this will be minus b cubed. Okay, so now you're done multiplying. So next step is to go and combine the like terms. So this one is a cubed. The next one, the a squared. Look for the a squared terms. So these are a squared, no more, right? So this 2 will give you minus 3a squared b. And then you go to the next one, the next kind. So this 2 will give you plus 3ab squared, and the left over will be minus b cubed. Okay, so that's somewhat what we're talking about. So the cube, you want to go and write out 3 times, and then you do the first 2, multiply out, you get this. And then after that, you go and multiply the third one. After you've done all distribution, after you multiply everything out, you collect the like terms, combine the like terms, and you get that. Okay. Okay, so that's let's go and do some practice. So the assignment for this one is, so write your name.